My name's Owen. I'm the Parks Operations Manager at Southend-on-Sea Borough Council. We manage all the parks operations work within Southend. It's a seaside resort, it's a big destination now. We do get visitors from all over Europe coming into Southend now, so our parks and open spaces are sort of well used, not just for the seafront and the pier, but also the areas along there. With the work we do with the Ventrac, we've got various areas that we work with. We've got our Southend cliffs, Leigh cliffs, which are very steep, undulating. But we also use the machine on our main highways and central reservations that run through the middle of the town as well. Health and safety is important, with the banks and working on the cliffs was sort of a 2-week cycle, just purely a foot slog right the way through, so it was quite dangerous. We used to use pedestrian rotary machines on the banks. Just the time saved was an important part of our decision making, but really the health and safety of the staff and also the comfort, because the worst thing you can do is go off on yourself as a manager and buy a piece of kit and have it put in the back of a shed and not used because they don't like the machine. With the low centre of gravity of the machine that we've got now, the staff feel more comfortable. I feel more secure that my staff are out there doing the work properly in a safe environment. The finish that we have with the decks that we use, much better than just the normal pedestrian machines. And also we got the option, the striping out the banks and everything else. It takes no more time to do it, so it gives a good feel to the area, so it does get noticed. It's one of the machines that I would not hesitate to recommend to anybody, especially if they've got the opportunity to use other attachments to keep it working sort of 12 months a year for them, because it's an excellent piece of machinery. With anything, there's a tangible sort of understanding there that if you keep your parks areas and your highways areas looking neat and tidy, people will come back because they appreciate how the areas are looking. So, all in all, with all the machinery, all the staff that we use, very competent and do a really good job.